Hello, today I'm going to be breaking a box of 2023 Topps Chrome. The cool thing about breaking a box that's a year, almost 2 years old, is that if the rookies have turned out to be good, you can actually get excited and know that you've got something rather than just hope they're going to turn into something. So let's get going here. Open up this box. It's got, I believe, 10 packs in it. Hoping for some good rookies, possibly some of the variants, but we'll see what we get in here. Okay, so looks like we've got 7 packs here, so I was wrong about that. Opening up the first one here. All right, it starts off with something cool looking. This is going to be Dermis Garcia. These are pretty cool looking. These are dazzling. Cedric Mullins. Michael Harris, second. Edwin Diaz. And Vlad Guerrero Jr. in this little pink version. I like this a lot. Just going to put this in that pile. Pack number 2. Leading off, these are kind of bent. I don't like that. Cody Clemens, Matthew Liberatore, Jonathan India, and Diamondbacks Gabriel Moreno. He's been a game changer. Not much to that pack. It seems like it was a little light. All right, pack number 3. We've got Jock Peterson. He was on the Diamondbacks shortly. Now is gone. Cal Raleigh. This is going to be Leo Verpagero. And we got a Titans card in here. It's going to be Bryce Harper. Pretty cool looking. Like this one a lot. And the variant would be Charlie Blackmon. It's cool looking, but obviously not that great of a pull there. Not a star. Pack number 4. Starting off with Andrew McCutchen. Jose Ramirez. Kyle Schwarber. Nelson Velasquez. Another very small pack. That seems to be the trend here. We've got 3 left. Okay, we've got Carlos Correa, Anthony Rendon, JD Martinez, former D-back, Joey Meneses, and Cal Mitchell. 2 packs left. Anthony Rizzo. Zach Gallen. Awesome pitcher. We'll put that in the pile. Aaron Judge. Like that. That's cool. And Pete Alonso. All right. Not a bad pack at all. Nothing valuable, but very good players in that one. Final pack here, guys. Got Oswald Peraza. DL Hall. Max Fried. Robbie Ray. And the final card, Austin Mays. All right, thanks for watching this break, guys. See you on the next one.